Hey guys, Chef Garces here. Welcome to another essential. This is what I call a red chili marinade. For this marinade, I'm using Nora chilies. Happens to be one of my favorites. Kind of smoky, mild heat. We're gonna go right into the blender. Toasted, seeded, and then reconstituted in hot water. We have some honey, chopped thyme, a bit of rosemary, some paprika, a little roasted garlic, olive oil, a little bit of pepper, salt, a little bit of H2O, it's a nice bright red. Nice and juicy. So tasty. Nora chilies really add a depth of flavor that's unusual and unique. So guys, get to marinating, cook yourself a delicious steak.